Please come over. Please come to the dais. Request to all managing committee members to come to the dais, please. First of all, let me thank the managing committee for their help and the president, Mr. Madhavanji, who has been a pillar of support, and Mr. Shyam Agarwal, who's been giving us all the help with regard to the ground and all other infrastructure support. I also welcome the other managing committee members, Ganesh Rai, Mr. Ravi Namade, Mr. Ashish Gadkari, who is also our sponsor. And apart from this, let me place and record the thanks to all the sponsors who have stood by us through so many years, and especially during this tough year of post the pandemic, or we are still not over the pandemic. So again, special thanks to Prakash for sponsoring the live streaming of this event, and all the four sponsors. Special thanks to all of you for sticking with us for all these years. Thank you once again. We'll start the Man of the Match awards. First, we'll start the Man of the Match award for the finals. The Man of the Match award for the finals, there's no guesses as to who it goes to. Let me get Ganesh to give the awards. He's not. Man of the finals is Suraj. So I request someone to come on behalf of Suraj to collect the award. Krishna is collecting the award on behalf of Suraj. I request Ganesh to give one more award. This is the first match. There's Imagine vs Zebro. Man of the match again goes to Suraj for his 70 runs and 4 overs for 20 runs. Harsh is taking the award in there. The second match is a match between Arjun and Yuvan. I requested Mr. Ravi Namade to give the award. Arjun vs Yuvan. Man of the match award goes to Prashant for 77 not out and 1 for 18. Prashant, I wish we could give you a larger bottle on the other hand.
That'd be nice.
we are constrained to the small trophy for you. The next award is the award for Arjun vs Zebro. It goes to Pawan for 127 not out of 60 balls. I request you to give this award to Pawan. The next award goes is between Yuvan and Imagine. It goes to Gautam for his 68 and 2 wickets. 68 runs and 2 wickets. The next match was between Zebro and Yuvan. Again, the award goes to Suraj for his 100 runs and 1 wicket. Next, we have the specialized awards for the best bowler, batsman, and fielder. The best fielder award goes to. Any guesses? Abhinav Sharma. Best bowler award. Best bowler award goes to the youngest man in the team, the man of the youngest heart, Mr. Naresh Shenoy.
I thought it should be Vicky. Vicky.
The best batsman award goes to Suraj. Award again goes to Suraj for his outstanding batting effort and brilliant captaincy and his fielding and bowling, collected by his father, Mr. Kamal Lalwani, who's also been very enthusiastic towards the tournament and over the years. Next we come to the runner-up award. Two special awards for two people who performed exceedingly well throughout the tournament, but have missed out on awards due to some, due to mathematical calculations. One award for his exceptional performance goes to one of our youngest players, Mr. Chirag Amin. The next award for outstanding performance throughout the tournament goes to one man who's made a serious impact on this tournament, Pawandeep Pateja. To Team Arjun, B. Arjun, who's been winning the last 4 editions and have done a phenomenal job. Very unfortunate to see them lose this year. And it was the president to give the award to Prashant. Team. Okay, come. अच्छा बाद में दो एक फोटो लगी आप बस आजा क्या अरे आजा यार ये पूरा टीम को ले लेना हां हां आजा आजा बिया जो कम चल
अरे लीव दैट राज भाई नेक्स्ट ईयर शिशु आना है अरे एक विकेट है तेरा एक विकेट राहुल राहुल भाई जल्दी आओ अरे नमस्कार अंदर ले Thank you.
Next is the winner's trophy. You know who the winner is in this tournament. Zebro accepted the happy card and won this, snatched this trophy from Arjun. Amazing effort by the Zebro team throughout the tournament.
आजा टीम आ जाओ
हम तो है साथ में
अरे सत्तम लेकिन तो कुछ कितना सत्तम बाजी आज वही तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ कैसा हो गया मैंने तो टोटल 9 विकेट
Thank you everybody for this wonderful opportunity. I thank all the sponsors, Zebro, Imagine, V. Arjun, Yuvan, Nora and Luxury Fix for their participation in this tournament and making it a success. Thank you once again. I thank the managing committee. Sportnex for their excellent coverage of this tournament, and Bombay Delhi Carriers, Divine Chairs, swift vacations. And I thank the managing committee for their presence and making this and providing us all this infrastructure to make this a success. Thank you, Mr. Vadavanji. Thank you, Shamba. Thank you, Ravi.
I must thank here TK and his committee for doing excellent job, and we should thank him very nicely arranged. And I request TK that he should now organize for below 18 years also. Players, our youngsters, boys should come up and for playing this. So
Good idea. Yes, sir.
Please. And anything support from managing committee is always there.
Sure. Okay, thank you.
TK, it's a great show, and actually I am very proudly I can say that this was the first such tournament organized in the Bombay, and every other club was appreciating and they were following us. So very big hand to TK.
Thank you, Shamba.
Managing live tournament in YouTube, I really appreciate that. I had seen 2 matches in the YouTube only.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Very nice.
And friends, a very big cheers to Zebro team. आशीष भाई, 2 लाइन आपके लिए.
दो लाइन. He will say something for you.
या अगर अंजाम की फिक्र हो तो आगाज बदल डालो और खेल ऐसा खेलो कि अंदाज बदल डालो. Good, very good show by Zebro, and congratulations to Zebro. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.